So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys something that's going on with my Switch and also a lot of Switches. There's my ugly fucking mug on the screen, but anyways, it's with the left Joy-Con. It's not connecting, but here's the thing. This time it's like not a syncing issue. What the main issue is if I can frickin' do this, this left Joy-Con will slide out without me even touching the release button. Let me just put it back in. So again, not touching the release button, only a little bit of force and it pops out. Now apparently that's a manufacturing issue with a lot of the first Nintendo Switches, especially on the left Joy-Con. It has nothing to do with the console itself, it's the controller. But yeah, in probably like a week or a week and a half, I'll have it either repaired or replaced. Alright guys, so I sent out my Joy-Con like a few days ago because I got my shipping label. Well, my one Joy-Con. And I gotta say, that was pretty fast. My right Joy-Con works fine. I've also tested it on the Joy-Con straps. There's no difference with the straps though. They go on and off, no problem. In lock on both of them. Hang on, guys. Sorry, that was a little bit hard to open. But whoa, fucking packing peanuts up the ass. Oh, is this new? Did the motherfucker send me a new one? Because they said they'd either get it repaired, I'd get a new one, or frickin'... It was either gonna be repaired, I'd get a new one, or fucking... they'd do no repairs on it. If it was like obvious frickin' damage. Hold on. Today is just a shitty camera day for me. But let's pop this fucker open. Oh, that is new! Holy shit, they fucking sent me a new one. Not really too different than the one I've had for like 6 months so far. But let's do the real test. Yeah, that's not my actual screen, that's my screen protector. So yeah, that's all the games I have on my Switch right now. So the right Joy-Con, that stays on there no problem. I should probably like prop this up against the box. Can only go on and off through sliding. Fucking neighbors. Now this is my new one. And there, yep, it's new. Okay, what the fuck? It's not pulling off. You just have to click it down a little bit farther, but there you have it. Now let's try the Joy-Con grip. So yeah, same thing going for the grip. Both of them slide in and out properly. This one isn't going anywhere. Only stays in if it's locked. So yeah, I will definitely be giving Nintendo customer service good feedback. And thanks for watching this shitty fucking video.